Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play words with friends on Messenger. First, ensure you have the Messenger app installed on your phone or tablet. Once open, you can either select an ongoing chat with a friend or begin a brand new conversation. Within the chat interface, locate the small plus symbol or a dedicated games icon, usually found near the text input field. Tapping this will reveal various options, including the games available to play directly within Messenger. After tapping the plus or games icon, a menu will pop up showing different features. You'll want to select the games option from this list. This action will then display a collection of games that are integrated with Messenger. Scroll through until you find Words with Friends. Once you see it, simply tap on the games icon. This will start a new game session directly within your conversation with that specific friend, ready for your first move. Once the game loads, you'll see the familiar Words with Friends board right inside your Messenger chat window. Your letter tiles will be at the bottom of the screen. To play, simply touch and drag your desired letter tiles onto the board to form a word. Remember to aim for bonus squares like double letter score or triple word score for maximum points. After arranging your word, hit the play button to submit it and see your score update. After you submit your word, your opponent will receive a notification within Messenger, letting them know it's their turn to play. The game will then wait for them to make their move. You can close the chat and return later, or simply wait for their response. When it's your turn again, just open the chat, and the game board will be there, ready for your next strategic play. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.